roast is ruined. But what if I were to purchase fast food and disguise it as my own cooking? Delightfully devilish, Seymour.
Seymour? Seymour?
I hope you're prepared for an unforgettable luncheon. Superintendent, I hope you're ready for mouth-watering hamburgers.
I thought we were having a hamburger.
That's what I call hamburgers.
You call hamburgers?
No.
I see.
Excuse me for 1 second.
Of course. Yes, I should be. Good Lord, what is happening in there?
Aurora Borealis?
Aurora Borealis. May I see it?
No.
Seymour! The house is on fire! Shh.